Hi friends, welcome to Max Me Education. Today our topic time and work. Time and work. It is one of the important for all competitive exams and entrance exams also. In this first, for example, A can do a work in 5 days. For example, I am taking A can complete a work in 5 days. There is 1 day work. Yes, 1 day work. 1 day. Yes, 1 day work is 1 by 5. So, A can complete a work in 5 days. So, averagely, so one day is taking after 1 hour more, another 1 hour less. But approximately in our calculations, if A can complete a work in 5 days, therefore A's 1 day is 1 by 5. Then only we have to solve the problems. Okay? Clear? So, observe here. Solution. One problem is given. A can do a piece of work in 20 days. A can complete a work in 20 days and B can in 30 days. A 20 days and B 30 days. If both are combinedly working combinedly work, in how many days they will complete? How many days they will complete? So solution first. Yes, what that I am writing is 1 day work. Yes, 1 day work is 1 by 20. What does it mean? Actually, is completed work in 20 days. So that I have to take like these on also. Is a complete work. A complete the work in 20 days. Therefore, A's 1 day work is 1 day work 1 by 20. Similarly, B is also diagram. B is 1 day work. B is 1 day work is equal to 1 by 30. What we have to find? Combined A and B both 1 day work. So, A plus B 1 day work. 1 day work. That is equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. So, LCM is 60 to 3 plus 2. LCM 60, 2 3 is 3 into 1 plus 32 is 60 to 2, that is equal to 5 by 12, that is equal to 1 by 12. 5 by 60 means 1 by 12. Therefore, yes, 1 day work is 1 by 12. That means in 12 days they will complete the work. Therefore, A and B complete the work. Complete the work. Complete the work in 12 days. Very simple. Okay? Next. Same, if in competitive exams, if is given, how we have to solve? How we have to, in academic sections, we have solved this problem. So, in competitive exam, how we have to solve the problem? A can is 1 day work. A can complete work in X days, assume. Okay? And B can complete the same work in Y days. In Y days. A plus B complete the work. So, A plus B or complete the work. Complete the work in, what is the formula is X into Y by X plus Y. X into Y by X plus Y. So substitute here. Here 20 into 30. Because A work is 20, B work is 30. So 20 plus 30. That is equal to 20 into 30 by 50. 0, 0 get cancelled. 5 1 ja 5 4, that is equal to 12. So A and B complete the work in 12 days. First one for academic years. In second one we have to write any competitive exams. At that time you are using this. Okay? Copy it. Next, A comma B can do a work in 15 days. A and B both are working together, they complete the work in 15 days. But A can only complete the work in 24 days. A can complete in 24 days. So how many days B can take for complete the work he is asking. So clearly observe. So A plus B, that means both are can work. 1 day work is 1 by 15. A's 1 day work is 1 by 24. So what about B's 1 day work? A plus B 1 day work minus A. That is equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 24. Okay? So simply do 24 minus 15 by 15 into 24 that I am taking. So if find LCM also no problem, otherwise that is equal to 9. 24 minus 15 is equal to 9 by 15 by 24. 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 5, 3 3 ja 3 8 ja. That is equal to 1 by 40. That is B's 1 day work. B 1 day work. B 1 day work is 1 by 40. Is 1 by 40. Therefore, B can complete the work. B can do or complete the work. We can complete the work in 40 days. Very easy. Okay? Right. Copy it. Next, again one problem. A can do a work in 12 days. Okay? Next, B can do it 20 days. So, already they started work. After 3 days, A leave the work. Okay? A went out. So now, in how many days B only finish the work? Next, how many days B can complete the work? So A's 1 day work is 1 by 12 because 12 days is complete. B's 1 day work is 1 by 20. A plus B 1 day work is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20. So LCM is 60. 12 5 is 60. 23 is 60. That is equal to 5 plus 3. 8 by 60. That is equal to 4 by 15. 4 by 15. So in this 4 by 15 already that is equal to A plus D 1 day work is 4 by 15. A plus B's 1 day work 4 by 15. But they completed 3 days work. They completed 3 days work. Therefore A plus B 3 days work is equal to 4 by 15 into 3. 3 1 ja 3 5 ja. That is equal to 4 by 5. Okay? A plus B is 3 days work. Okay? Right. Sorry. Here 4 2 ja. That is equal to 2 by 5. A plus B 3 days work. 3 days work is equal to 2 by 5. Next, how much pending? So total work 1. Remaining work is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5, that is equal to 3 by 5. This work is pending. Okay? But we can complete the work in 20 days. 20 days. On the 20 days, we have to find the 3 by 5. That is equal to B can do remain work is equal to 3 by 5 into 20, because in 20 days he can complete it. So, but in how much? Already 2 by 5 is remaining, 3 by 5. 2 1s are 3 4, that is equal to 12 days. Therefore, B can complete the work in 12 days. Okay? Copy it. Clearly observe. So, another one problem. A can do a work in 5 days. B can do it in 7 days. If both are working together and complete the work and gain rupees 240, find the shares. So, observe here. So, A and B. So, compared to B, A can do fastly. A can do fastly. A can complete it fastly. So, compared to B is very late. So, both are, they got 240 rupees. So, we have to share them. You have to share them equal, but not equally, because they are not working equally. So, compared to A, B get more. So, compared to B, A get more. How we have to do? So, A's 1 day work is 1 by 5, B's 1 day work is 1 by 7. They earn 240 rupees. Therefore, first their ratios 1 by 5 is to 1 by 7. Okay, both are prime number, where the LCM is 35. So, those fractions multiple with LCM, that is equal to 35 by 5 into 35 by 7. 5 1s are 5 7s are 7 1s are 7 5s are. Therefore, their shares ratio is 7:5. Their shares ratio is 7:5, opposite only. Okay, 7:5. Total ratios. Total ratio is equal to 7 plus 5, that is equal to 12. Therefore, A's share is equal to how much? 240 into A got 7 by 12, that is equal to 20. 140 rupees. A got 140 rupees. What about B share? B's share is equal to 240 into 5 by 12. 12 1s are 12 20s are, that is equal to 100 rupees. So, B got 100 rupees, A got 140 rupees. Then we can gain for work only then. This is our judgment. Don't be share equally. So, if they are not work equally, so don't share equally. Okay? Right. Copy it. Next, again one problem. Same based on time and work, but is problems on tabs. A tab can fill a tank in 4 hours. Tab A. Tab B can empty it 6 hours. So, if both tabs open same times, in how many hours it will fill the tank? Okay. So, tab A. 1 hour work. 1 hour work. How much? 1 by 4. Next to tab B. Tab B, 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. So, it is filling. It is a filling. It is the tab A is filling. Tab A is empty. So, total we have to fill the tank. That is equal to, therefore, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. So, 12 is the LCM, 4 3 is that is equal to 2, 1 by 2. Therefore, so in 12 hours, both tabs can fill the tank. Fill that, very easy. Okay, same, the working persons only. Okay, copy it. Again one problem. A can dig a well in 6 days and B can dig in 8 days. C can dig in 9 days. If all are working together, they earn 580 rupees. So we have to find their shares. So A can complete it for 6 days, B 8 days, C 9 days. We have to find their shares. But they earn 580 rupees. So A's 1 day work 1 by 6, B 1 day work 1 by 8, C 1 day work 1 by 8. So sum of the ratio of their shares is equal to 1 by 6 is to 1 by 8 is 1 by 9. Find the LCM 6, 8, 9. The LCM of 6, 8, 9 is 72. Therefore, 72 by 6 is 72 by 8 is 72 by 9. 6 1 ja, 6 12 ja. 8 1 ja, 8 9 ja, 9 1 ja, 9 8 ja. Therefore, 12 is 9 is 8. Easy. Sum of their shares. Sum of their shares is equal to 12 plus 9 plus 8, that is equal to 29. Easy. Next, A share. A share rupees is equal to 580 into 12 by 29. 29 ones are 29 20s. That is equal to A share is 240. What about B share? Is equal to 580 into 9 by 29. 20 20s. That is equal to 180. Next, share of C. C share is equal to 580 into 9 by 8 by 29. That is equal to 100 rupees 160. Okay? Right. Copy it. These are the problems on time and work. So these are part 1. In part 2 we are going for the another one problems. Okay? Thank you.